Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A3 Saloon Edition 1 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the sleek ibis white, sure to turn heads when on the road. And at the time of this recording, the car has done 10,071 miles. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm trapeze design in titanium matte grey, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your everyday to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with a centre armrest with 2 handy cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S&Boss logo and front centre armrest, with electric seating adjustments and a 4-way lumbar for added support and comfort. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as comfort for those longer drives or dynamic for a more sporty feel. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on those long journeys. And the navigation map to help you find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Below, you have the dual zone climate controls, so both driver and passenger can choose a preferred temperature, regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up on the go with 2 USB charging points, finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.